Hello, my dear students. Welcome to all in my virtual class. This is Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer, Finance and Banking, Milestone College, Uttara. Today I will discuss a new chapter of your second paper textbook. This chapter name is Source and Use of Bank Fund. This is the chapter number 7. Today I will discuss only the basic concept of bank funds. This is the lecture number 1 in this chapter. Let's go start in my class. Chapter 7, Source and Use of Bank Fund. After reading this chapter, you will be able to answer the following topics. First, concept of bank fund. 2. Sources of bank fund. 3. Concept of bank credit or bank loan. Importance of bank credit or bank loan or bank advance. Considerable factors for sanctioning bank loan or bank credit. Various types of bank loan or bank credit. Concept of security of bank loan. Importance of security against the bank loan. Considerable factors regarding bank loan security. Credit analysis. And last one, distressed loan or bad loan. My today's topics is the basic concept of bank funds. This is the image of a bank. We all know bank is a financial institution which collects funds from general people by various bank accounts and also invest this fund other side of businessmen or needy people. Bank. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposit and make loan. A bank is a financial institution where customers can save or borrow money. Banks also invest money to build up their reserve of money. We know money is the main components of banking business. On the other hand, funds means the capital that the owner invests in his business is called funds. So, this is the another image of bank fund. This is the collection process of bank fund by customers, and this is the total fund of bank. Now we learn what is the bank fund. The sum of money that the bank collects from various inside and outside sources for banking business needs is called a bank fund. So, bank fund equal share capital or paid up capital plus reserve fund plus bank deposit plus a loan from central bank and others commercial bank or financial institutions. So, bank funds is other financial institutes as like the capital collection process. A bank various process by collection their funds by savings accounts, by paid up capital or others share selling, reserve fund, etc. So, my dear students, now you are understood what is the bank fund. So, my dear students, no more today. Goodbye.